Product: Vantrue N5S 4-channel 360-degree Wi-Fi dashcam. The Vantrue N5S 4-channel 360-degree Wi-Fi dashcam offers complete surveillance and peace of mind. Its 4-channel system provides full 360-degree coverage, eliminating blind spots inside and out. A dual-core processor records stunning high-definition video, with flexible modes ensuring effortless safety and legal protection. Ultimate 4-channel StarVis 2 Night Vision delivers revolutionary clarity. All 4 cameras offer 100% higher low-light performance and 40% better license plate recognition. HDR/WDR processing captures clear license plates at 20 miles per hour without glare. Infrared lights ensure exceptional cabin clarity, even in complete darkness. For unmatched clarity and comprehensive security, trust the Vantrue N5S.
Product: OwnTal Leather Car Seat Gap Filler Organizer. Tired of losing items in that endless car seat gap? That automotive Bermuda Triangle where things vanish forever? The OwnTal Leather Car Seat Gap Filler Organizer is the ultimate solution. It blocks items from falling between your seat and console, preventing frustrating losses. It's not just a gap filler. This dual-function organizer adds essential extra storage. It utilizes that unused space, turning a problem area into a convenient spot for your small essentials. This organizer stays put securely, even as seats move back and forth, catching whatever drops without taking up valuable room. It reduces clutter, making daily driving more convenient and stress-free.
Product: VDIAC Tool VD10 OBD2 Scanner Code Reader. For any car owner, the VDIAC Tool VD10 OBD2 scanner is a truly essential gadget. This code reader is a game-changer, perfect for DIYers or even beginners in vehicle mechanics. Simply plug it into your car's OBD-II port for instant diagnostics in seconds. It reads and clears engine codes, monitors live data, views freeze frame, and checks IM readiness. The VD10 helps troubleshoot issues by showing fault code definitions instantly. You can quickly find root causes, erase engine fault codes, and turn off that malfunction indicator light. This handy scanner ensures your engine stays in top condition, preventing costly repairs and keeping your car running smoothly.
Product: Armor All Protectant and Glass Cleaning Wipes 3-pack. Hey everyone, if you're like me and love a pristine car, you'll want to see this. The Armor All Protectant and Glass Cleaning Wipes 3-pack is truly a game changer for car care. This convenient multi-pack brings together protectant, glass, and cleaning wipes, giving your vehicle that just detailed look with ease. The cleaning wipes expertly lift away dirt and debris, revealing your car's natural beauty without harming delicate surfaces. For the interior, the original protectant wipes preserve that rich look, shielding against harmful UV rays and oxidation. And for exterior glass, the glass wipes tackle filmy residue, road crime, bugs, and fingerprints, ensuring a brilliantly clear, streak-free shine. It's perfect for maintaining your car's polished appearance anytime, anywhere, keeping it looking its best.
Product: AutoCast Mini 2 Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto Adapter. Hey everyone, today we're checking out the AutoCast Mini 2 Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto Adapter. This clever 2-in-1 device brings wireless convenience to your car, whether you use an iPhone or an Android phone like a Samsung. It's truly family-friendly, solving the constant cable struggles for everyone. No more tangled cords, no more searching for the right charger, and full phone freedom. Imagine accessing navigation, music, Siri, and calls without ever plugging in your iPhone. It transforms your wired CarPlay experience to wireless, keeping all original car operations intact for pure driving bliss. Android users also get to unleash hands-free convenience, saying goodbye to restricted movements from cables. This wireless upgrade means a cleaner dashboard and a smoother, more connected drive for the whole family.
Product: Numoise Windshield Sunshade Umbrella 56 by 31. Tired of scorching hot car interiors? The Numoise Windshield Sunshade Umbrella 56 by 31 inches redefines comfort. This 2025 updated shade features innovative ice crystal cooling material, evenly distributing heat to keep your car a comfortable 90 degrees Fahrenheit. It effectively mitigates intense sun for enjoyable rides. For superior protection, Numoise uses a 240T high-density fabric with a polyester fiber reflective coating, moving beyond traditional silver. This advanced tech shields your car from broad light damage, preventing dashboard and seat deterioration.
Its military-grade durability is unmatched. Upgraded materials, spring-enhanced leather umbrella legs, and an integrated spring structure ensure lasting robustness and protection, making those hot day drives significantly more comfortable.
Product: TU Foldable Car Seat Tray Table. Discover the TU Foldable Car Seat Tray Table, bringing home-like convenience. No more balancing food or working on laps. This tray frees your hands to eat, work, or study comfortably in the car. It's a versatile multi-item holder for laptops, tablets, glasses, pens, or snacks. Integrated accessories include a rotary phone mount, cup holder, and non-slip mat, all for convenience. It easily folds, saving space. Adjustable with a 60mm range, both adults and children find their ideal posture. Perfect as a backseat dinner table or workspace. Its innovative structure ensures superior stability, safely bearing 15 to 20 kilograms. The TU tray adds comfort and versatility to every journey.
Product: Fresh Jenny Leather Car Seat Gap Filler 2-pack. Ever lose keys, your phone, or coins down that car seat gap? The Fresh Jenny Leather Car Seat Gap Filler 2-pack has the perfect solution. These soft leather inserts give complete coverage between your seat and console, stopping those small items from getting lost. They offer a universal fit for most cars, trucks, and SUVs, fitting gaps up to 2.4 inches. Installation is super easy. They attach to the seatbelt catch, moving seamlessly with your seat for adjustment without reinstallation and never interfering with your seatbelt. Beyond solving the gap problem, this pack includes bonus accessories: 2 sunglass holders that secure 2 pairs of shades and a card, preventing drops and scratches. Plus, 4 handy seat hooks are included, perfect for hanging groceries, handbags, or baby supplies, making your car a cleaner, more organized space.
Product: DTPT Mini Car Trash Can with 80 bags. Keeping your car tidy just got easier with the DTPT Mini Car Trash Can. Measuring just 3.3 by 2.6 by 7.2 inches, it utilizes available space efficiently. Operation is simple with its push-top and pop-up lid. Easily press down to dispose of small trash while driving, or use the pop-up feature for larger items. This design effectively keeps unpleasant odors contained. Plus, it includes 80 trash bags, ensuring you're well prepared. A truly reliable accessory for a neat and peaceful journey.
Product: Monster Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto Adapter. Hey everyone, let's talk about the Monster Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto Adapter. This gadget truly transforms your car. It instantly connects your device wirelessly, ditching those messy, tangled cords for good. Imagine enjoying all your favorite apps, navigation, and media seamlessly, making every drive smoother and more enjoyable. It's so simple. Just connect and you're ready to hit the road. Thanks to advanced Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, you get a robust, reliable connection. This means crystal clear audio and uninterrupted performance, whether you're streaming music or taking important calls. No more dropouts or delays, just pure, reliable wireless connectivity for a modern driving experience. Product: ColtGoo Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor 150 PSI. The ColtGoo Portable Air Compressor is a powerful, compact 150 PSI tire inflator. Its high-capacity rechargeable battery means no constant charging. It offers quick, cordless inflation, running 1 to 2 hours without external power. 3 times faster, it inflates small car tires in just 1 minute. Never worry about power. Its dual supply ensures you're never stranded. Connect the included 3-meter 12-volt cigarette lighter to your car if needed. Its multi-use versatility handles cars, motorcycles, bikes, and sports balls. An anti-heating design with cooling ports and anti-scalding nozzle ensures safe use. An AI chip provides temperature control and tire protection, keeping trips safe and stress-free. Toyosun Pink Car Seat Headrest Hook 4-pack. Tired of car clutter? The Toyosun Pink Car Seat Headrest Hook 4-pack is your colorful, practical solution for an organized, tidy cabin. Each set includes 4 durable, high-quality ABS plastic hooks, bearing up to 55 pounds apiece. Perfect for groceries, bags, coats, or umbrellas, they universally fit most cars and SUVs, designed for headrest bars from 0.32 to 0.55 inches. Installation is a breeze. No tools needed, just one-hand operation, no headrest removal.
Their clever 360-degree rotating design means you can use them front or back. Plus, a hideaway design ensures a seamless look when not in use. Keep masks, hats, and items neat, preventing spills and clutter.
Product: Bold Color Block Trunk Organizer 95L. Tired of a cluttered trunk? The Bold Color Block Trunk Organizer 95L is here to help. This organizer offers a generous 95L plus capacity, truly transforming your vehicle into an organized cargo space. What makes it stand out? It has a unique, dedicated shoe compartment, easily fitting shoes up to size 10 or 12, keeping them separate from everything else. Plus, an integrated 26L cooling pack keeps drinks and snacks chilled for 15 to 24 hours, perfect for road trips or picnics. Designed to fit SUVs, cars, and Jeeps with its 35 by 13.8 by 11.8 dimensions, it maximizes storage without wasted space. Secure zippered pockets keep smaller items safe. It's a versatile solution for daily use or long adventures, making efficiency and convenience a reality in your trunk.
Product: Smosen Safe Hammer Glass Breaker 2-Pack. The Smosen Safe Hammer Glass Breaker 2-Pack is a crucial safety tool for any car. This compact gadget combines an instant window breaker and a swift seatbelt cutter. It features a high-pressure spring and durable tungsten steel blade, delivering a powerful 20 kgf impact to shatter solid window glass instantly. The metal tip remains safely hidden, deploying only upon impact. Its U-shaped hidden stainless steel cutter prevents hand injuries. Simply align it with the belt and push for a swift, easy escape. The upgraded anti-slip grip with meticulously designed bumps ensures a secure, comfortable hold, preventing slips. Break a window in 1 second, saving critical time. With 2 Smosen breakers, keep one in the front and one in the back, adding peace of mind to every drive.
Product: Cingaro 4-Pack Non-Slip Car Cup Coasters. Let's talk about the Cingaro 4-Pack Non-Slip Car Cup Coasters. These little gems are made from high-quality, durable silicone that's soft and elastic, so they won't deform easily. They're designed to keep your cup grooves clean and tidy, being waterproof and dustproof. Beyond just function, their beautiful groove patterns and various colors add a stylish touch, allowing you to personalize your car's interior. A great perk is how they reduce cup noise while you're driving, making for a quieter ride. They measure 2.77 inches, and while perfect for your car, their versatile design means you can use them at home or in the office too. Keeping them clean is super simple thanks to that durable silicone. Remember to measure your holder for a perfect fit.
Product: Baseus 163-watt retractable car charger USB-C. Meet the Baseus 163-watt retractable car charger for fast, efficient power on the go. Perfect for seamless office work from your car, it supports laptops, tablets, and smartphones, making road trips and daily commutes hassle-free. This charger boasts a total of 163 watts. It includes a 67-watt USB-C 1 cable, a 33-watt USB-C 2 cable, a 33-watt USB-C 3 port, and a 30-watt USB-A port. This allows you to charge 4 devices simultaneously, powering your laptop quickly while keeping other gadgets ready. Its clever retractable design features dual 31.5-inch USB-C cables with magnetic storage, eliminating clutter and keeping your console organized. At just 4.68 by 2 by 1.57 inches, it fits discreetly in any vehicle. This charger keeps all your electronics powered efficiently, wherever your journey takes you.
Product: Hitolza Smart Car Air Freshener with Ambient Light. Ready to elevate your drive? The Hitolza Smart Car Air Freshener with Ambient Light adds fragrance and ambience to any journey. Inspired by Niagara Falls, its unique waterfall design releases a refreshing, natural aroma that gently fills your car, turning every drive into a delightful, aromatic adventure. This smart air freshener features an auto on-off function thanks to its A8 Pro chip. It activates with vehicle vibration when you enter and shuts off when you exit. You can also easily adjust the fragrance intensity and customize the ambient lighting effects to match your mood. Plus, its latest ultra-fine misting technology atomizes the scent into tiny 5-micrometer particles, ensuring the aroma lasts longer and diffuses widely throughout your car. This keeps your interior smelling fresh and stylish, making trips more enjoyable.
Product: Senu Smart Car Air Freshener Diffuser. Meet the Senu Smart Car Air Freshener Diffuser, the 2025 flagship model that truly elevates your car's interior.
You'll love the premium fountain mist nozzle and the stylish blue lighting, creating a luxurious atmosphere on every drive. This smart diffuser automatically starts when you begin driving, saving time and energy, and you can easily choose from 3 adjustable scent modes to get your perfect fragrance level. Its 700 mAh battery offers an impressive 60 days of freshness on just one 2-hour charge. Plus, the 45 milliliter refill, featuring natural scents from Robertet, France, lasts up to 4 months and is safe for everyone. The Senu Smart Car Air Freshener is designed for long-term reliability and backed by 1-year support, making it a wonderful addition to any vehicle.
Product: VanSuit 200-watt car power inverter with USB ports. Having your devices powered on the go is essential, and the VanSuit 200-watt car power inverter makes it easy. From America's leading power inverter brand, this unit delivers 200 watts of continuous DC 12V to AC 110V power. It features 2 PD and 2 QC 18-watt USB ports, plus dual AC outlets. With a total of 131 watts for USB, you get efficient quick charging. The fast Type-C PD 65-watt can charge your iPhone, iPad, or MacBook up to 6 times faster than a standard charger. Its compact, space-saving design with a 23.8-inch cable and cigarette lighter plug, along with a convenient LCD display, ensures all your gadgets stay powered up effortlessly, perfect for any journey.
Product: Ripez Leak-Proof Car Trash Can with Lid. Meet the Ripez Leak-Proof Car Trash Can with Lid for a clean, odor-free ride. Its improved structural support with sidebars maintains shape, enhancing the seal, containing trash and odors. The extra-long adjustable strap allows versatile placement on seats, consoles. Compact yet spacious at 1.75 gallons, fitting neatly and folding for storage. Dispose of tissues, fruit peels easily through its rubber lid with hook and loop closure. No lifting. Durable, waterproof, leak-proof lining makes cleanup simple. Enjoy a clutter-free, organized, pleasant ride.